Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. Happy New Year. And today I'll create this makeup look as per title for Makar Sankranti and Pongal. So I'm wearing this black sari, and along with that I thought of creating a makeup look to complement this sari. When I was actually thinking to create this look, I thought I'll not repeat any of the product from my best of 2018 video which I have shown you recently. So I actually sat down and picked up those which I have not used during 2018 much, and I want to use them more. That's why I thought, okay, let's not use the same products and show some new products. So let's see what I have used and let's create this look. So guys, I'm just using this Wet n Wild primer on my face. This is hydrating primer. So after skincare you can apply primer, and because this for concealers I'm going to use this too. This is from Maybelline and Makeup Revolution. I'll list down all the details. So basically correcting it with the dark shade and then just concealing it with the lighter shade from Makeup Revolution. So that's what I'm doing it here. Now moving towards foundation, I have taken NYX and Milani. NYX is a lighter shade on my skin, so I'm mixing it with Milani foundation so that I'll get kind of perfect match, because only NYX looks powdery and whitish on my skin. So just dabbing it with this beauty sponge. I think I got this from Forever 21, and now I'm just applying this fixing spray. Basically I was about to say Fix Plus because I'm used to it. So this is Makeup Revolution fixing spray. I'm just dabbing it again with my sponge. Now taking Kryloan loose powder and just using it under my eyes to set the concealer and foundation that I have applied. And rest of the face also I'm using the same powder, but I'm using it very lightly to just dust off and not much, so that you know it will look lighter and not cakey. So just take it down also. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using this Maybelline eyebrow pencil, and it has, you know, pencil, and other end it has powder to fill it. So taking this Wet n Wild Rose in Air palette and applying this transition shade on my crease line and just building it slowly, because at the start you have to keep it very light and slowly you build it. At the last I have actually added too much color on my crease line. You can see that because I wanted it that way. Now taking this lighter brown shade and applying it again on my crease area and trying to build that transition area properly. And yeah, so now I'm taking that dark brown and just applying it on my outer corner. You can see that. So these are the brushes, all white brushes from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collection. I have shown that I think last month on my channel. Taking this blending brush from the same range and just blending out all the harsh edges. I really loved brushes, you know guys. Okay, so this is the color, shimmery color, which I'm going to use it on my, you know, 1/3 of my eye area. And I feel like the color is not that, you know, shimmery and not that showing on the lid, because I was thinking like, okay, it will show up, pop up, but the shimmery shades are not that pigmented, so I have to layer it up. But because of that I think I lost the look which I wanted. Okay, now this is a turning point where I have taken that pink and I have applied again on my transition area where I want that particular pink shade to pop up, because I have some pink flowers on my sari. Again taking that brown, brick brown shade and just applying it on my lower lash line with a smaller brush, and taking this blending brush from the same Morphe and Jaclyn collection and just blending out the edges. This is a matte eyeshadow and just applying it there, as you can see, to highlight. Okay, so this is Beauty Big Bang's pen, eyeliner pen. So just using it. It has other side stamp also for a wing, but today I'm not going to use that. For Kajal, using this Faces Magneteyes Kajal. I love this Kajal somehow, but in between I stopped using it, and today I loved it. Using this Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara, and I think it's kind of drying out because when I used it today, I felt it, and I think I'm gonna discard it soon. So that's the mascara. Now I'm going to use this palette, NYX Sweet Chicks palette, and I have used that bronzy shade. That's a matte shade, and just bronzing my face and taking that cute color on my cheeks to just add that flush of color. For highlighter, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution highlighter, just setting it with spray. And now the lipstick. I love this lipstick. This is a Hot Latte from Colorbar, and this is so cute color, guys. So just applying bindi and just getting ready with all the jewelry pieces that I have to match it up with this sari, and you will see the final look now. So this is the end result, and I'm loving it. This is really cool. I liked my eye makeup. I have used this Wet n Wild palette, as I have mentioned in the title also. Now the only thing which I have not liked about this is shimmery shades are not at all pigmented. It doesn't show that much, and all the matte shades are good. Pigmentation wise also good, but they have too much of fallout. So you have to be careful. If you are doing it after foundation, you will struggle sometimes, but it wipes off. The matte shades will wipe off, but shimmery shades can be difficult to take out, because you can see I have few shimmery shades lying here which I was not able to remove, but still I managed to apply that shimmery shade here also, so that it looks like I have highlighted my inner corner. So that's about that palette, and this is the makeup look. Hope you have enjoyed it, and so I'll see you in my next video. Till that time, take care of yourself. Happy Makar Sankranti, happy Pongal. See you. Bye bye. Take care.